Happy New Year, guys. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button, like and share my video. Also follow us on our Instagram page at Kirasecret Global, our TikTok Kirasecret Global. Okay, and you can also follow us on our new page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. We generate tracking number for you to track your goods. We are the #1, the champion. Also, shop on my website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Okay, our skincare product, porcelain, Snow White, Instant White, �𝐓𝐇 is on the website. We also sell original branded product. Please go to the website and shop. I love you guys so much. Yes, today this video I'm going to show you guys how I promised 15 liter of Snow White 3 days whitening lotion for this our amazing wholesaler deal customer. Yeah, this amazing client, she said, Mommy Kira, please, I want 15 liters. Okay, please go to the website. The Snow White is there. If you want me to reactivate it for you, if you have a demanding client that want to whiten up their skin in a safe way, no green vein, no stretch mark, no white dot at all. Okay, this lotion is super good. This is a return customer, and so if you watch my video, you see them coming back because this Snow White, they work. Also have the Instant White. We have the 𝐕𝐓𝐾 on the website. You can go there and shop. Okay, and if you want me to activate it for you, I will activate it. This is the Secret White Strong whitening serum. This serum is very strong. It's super effective. Any of your skincare production, be it a face cream, your lotion, your scrub, your whitening mulatto soap or 𝐕𝐲 soap, you can use this serum. You can also use the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate and also the Secret White Oil to mix it. Okay, but this client, she said, Mommy Kira, put this Secret White. She got the 1 liter. Look at it. I'm showing you guys everything. Okay, any of your client that is complaining that they bought lotion from you or you produce for them, it's not effective, it's not working, please just get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Put it inside, mix it inside your skincare production. Your customer will come back. I don't want to hear my customer is complaining if I produce today, you know they work. Don't stress yourself. You can even use base cream. You can use this to mix with it. Stop mixing so many serum, concentrate, and oil together because it will sometimes give your customer skin issues in terms of stretch mark, white dot, white patches, green vein on their skin. But instead, get the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, concentrate, and oil. You can get the bottle, the small size. You can get these big bottles. Okay, that is it. It's very easy. Your customer will come back. You that you went to the market to buy lotion and the lotion did not give you what you want, don't throw it away. Get the Secret White Serum, concentrate, and oil. Put it inside your that lotion that is not working, that branded lotion that you bought in the market that is not working. Mix it, and start using. Your client will come back. If they are not patronizing me, I will not be shooting all this video. The product is working. That's why you see me every time I'm shouting. Get the Secret White Serum, concentrate, and oil. Buy it. It's super effective. Yeah, you can see this amazing containers the customer chose. You can see it. This is a foreign beautiful container. It's on my website. Okay, if you want to buy, you can buy it. Okay, you can see this 15 liters will give us 30 bottles. You can see the straw. We've washed everything. You can see we're about to start filling. See it. We've cut it. We've cut the straw. You see it. We've cut the straw. You can see it. Want to see, guys, I've already said these things to you people. This is 2026. Okay, no time for dulling. Okay, make sure as you are producing if your customer is complaining, get the Secret White Serum, concentrate, and oil. Go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com and get our amazing skincare product. We have product that works, very effective. Okay, if your product is working, your customer will come. They will refer people to you. You understand? You can see the way, Mommy Kira, I will tell you guys the way it is. I will video everything and show you guys. If it's not working, the client will not come back. You are producing, your customer is complaining. Remove some of those serum, concentrate, and oil. Remove it from your formulation. Go and get the Secret White Serum, concentrate, and oil. Put it inside your production and mix it. You don't need to stress yourself. Still blend it and package it and sell. Your client, they will come back. Okay? If they said, okay, I've gotten like 5 or 6 shades, I want more, you increase it more. You understand me? This is simple. This is 2026. No more stressing yourself like the way we normally do 2019 that we miss so many plenty. No, this time is direct. These are direct recipes, simple and straightforward. You buy face cream in the market that is not working, don't throw it. Just get the serum, concentrate, and oil, mix it inside. and you love your skin. Your client will come back. Okay, we want to start feeling. You can see I'm showing you guys everything. Look at the straw. We've washed everything. We want to start feeling. Okay, when I'm done feeling, you're going to see it. Yeah, we are done. We're done packaging. You can see we fill it with our machine. You can see the customer said we should put sticker for her. She paid us and we put the sticker for her. I went to a printing house and we printed the sticker for her. It's just for us to wrap and ship it out. Guys, what are you waiting for? Let Mommy Kira produce. Tell me what you want. How many shade whitening? 15 shade. I will produce it in a safe way. No green vein, no stretch mark, no dark spot, no nothing, no white dots. Okay, your skin will be spotless. Your clients, they will come back. You can see how beautiful and classy this packaging is. We've sealed it. You can see we've seen the mouth. You can see it. We've sealed it. Okay, this is set to go. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe. Please go to the website and shop. If you want this, it's Snow White 3 days whitening lotion at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Go to the website and shop. Please follow us on all our social media platforms. If you want us to ship for you, we are the #1, the champion. 3 to 5 working days, your goods will get to you. Whether you're buying product from us, whether you're not buying from us, let Kirasecret Logistics ship for you. We are the #1, the champion. We're super affordable. Okay, also like and share this amazing. Yes, you can see we're showing the client was weighing everything, how we package it, and the client said we should put it in a 2 box. You can see I was showing her that this is 17 points. That is the weight, and she was so happy. We'll wrap it and we'll put fragile so that they will handle it with care when it gets to her.